Samsung's highly anticipated 2025 foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, are already creating waves in the tech world. Multiple leaks and certifications have revealed exciting details about these next-generation devices, hinting at what users can expect. The foldables are rumored to launch during Samsung's second Galaxy Unpacked event in July, alongside groundbreaking innovations like Samsung's first trifold smartphone. 3C certification, charging speeds and models. Recent sightings on China's compulsory certification, 3C platform, as shared by tipster Abhishek Yadav, provide a glimpse into the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Listed with model numbers SM, F9660 and SM, F7660 respectively, the certification reveals compatibility with Samsung's EP-TA800 charger, which supports 25W wired charging. While this matches the charging speed of last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, it might trail behind Samsung's flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra, which boasts a faster 45W wired charging capability. Interestingly, these leaks suggest that the new foldables will ship without a charger in the box, a trend Samsung has adopted for some of its recent devices, aimed at reducing electronic waste. Battery enhancements. Battery specifications are also making headlines, with reports indicating that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain its predecessor's 4,400 mAh battery. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could see an upgrade to a slightly larger 4,300 mAh battery, a notable improvement compared to the Flip SIX's 4,000 mAh capacity. This enhancement promises extended usage, catering to the needs of users who demand long-lasting performance from their foldable devices. Processor upgrades and performance. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to feature powerful chipsets tailored for next-generation foldable experiences. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could debut with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy SoC, offering robust multitasking capabilities and top-tier performance. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to incorporate Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset, delivering impressive speed and efficiency for a seamless user experience. What to expect at Galaxy Unpacked 2025? With the July Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner, speculation is rife about the unveiling of Samsung's latest foldables. Apart from the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, Samsung could introduce its first trifold smartphone, a revolutionary addition that aims to redefine foldable technology. The event promises to be a milestone for Samsung, setting the stage for its continued dominance in the foldable segment.